Okay, slow down.
Go, Rogan.
Where are we going again?
Big Bear.
We're not going to Little Bear?
No.
Medium-sized bear?
No, big.
We're looking for Airbnb 665.
665.
665. I see a hot tub. Welcome home. Get on it. Haven't even went inside, but the kids want to get on the hammock.
It's really like sketchy.
It's okay. I'm gonna swing you.
No.
You ready?
No. Welcome to Big Bear.
Dad's checking in. We're gonna do the outside tour. What's this?
So we got our hot tub here.
A hot tub. Let's see. Is it warm?
Oh yeah, it's warm.
Ooh. It has good jets too. What's this little shed back here?
I'm not going. Crocs on my shoes. What is it?
Rogan, you can get a Warzone one in there. Their first Airbnb they've ever stayed at. Woo!
So this is right now, this is a live feed of their bald eagle here in town that just had babies. So this is like a straight cabin vibe for sure.
They have so many board games.
Oh, they do have board games. Here's a bed.
These huskies.
Yeah. Maybe we'll figure out if they're nice or not.
Oh, can I open that door?
No, that's probably for their supplies to clean.
Let's go upstairs.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Well, I'm not getting scared. See, that's all. I'm playing this board.
Oh, Pac-Man! Look at this room.
Oh, you need a flipping coin. You need to pay to play.
What is it?
Pay to play.
Pac-Man?
Yep. Let's see. Oh, there's another room.
Fine. I got this one.
You called this one?
You want this room? You guys each have your own room.
But I want the balcony. We could each I stayed in there one night. So we balcony.
You got your own balcony?
Yeah, this is my room.
There's no TV. Yeah! And here's your bathroom. What do you think of your guys' first Airbnb, Rogan?
Riley, you told me to not let you down when I was booking. Did I let you down? Did I disappoint?
No.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Let's go.
And Rogan,
Mommy gets the smaller TV.
and Rogan, what did
There is a TV.
Oh, there is.
We both have TVs.
What do you rate the Airbnb?
10 out of 10.
Woo! We're gonna get unpacked. We'll see you in a little bit. You're gonna walk on that bridge? It's half safe.
Mom.
It's in the water right there.
Trying to get a good sunset pic, you know.
Hold on.
Riley! But look how pretty.
You're good. It's right here. I'm not coming around.
What? Mom. Here, let me jump.
I did it!
Hold on, Rogan.
Hold on.
Out of your way. I'll be out.
Race you? I'm not racing and jumping. Please. Okay, go.
Oh, he jumped. You guys are trying to make it jump. I remember that.
Don't push me in.
I think you're stuck. I think you're stuck, bro.
You didn't get one?
I think it's stuck. You geared up? You ready?
Okay, we gotta do a drip check. Let me see, Rogan.
You take sunglasses?
Take a long look.
Well, I mean just for today. Oh no, you guys go. You guys go. You guys go.
What's up, what's up? So the kids are snowboarding. Riley's with Shaylin. It's Riley's first time snowboarding. Rogan's with Bala. It's Rogan's first time snowboarding. I'm skiing, but I haven't skied in like legit 20 years. So this should be fun. The biggest reason why I'm going is because I didn't want to watch my kids first time snowboarding from the bottom of the hill. So I'm going up on skis and it should be interesting. Hope you guys enjoy.
You're gonna just brake the whole way down. So just like this and get comfortable braking. Lean a little, give a little more weight, brake. A little more weight, brake. And you're gonna brake like...
Out, if you start going, squat and heels down.
And brake. Good. Lean forward, just go fall forward. There you go, that's really good. Really good, right there. Lean forward.
Nice.
That was good. That was really good. That was all you too.
All right, here we go. Run number 2. Run number 2. This is their second time going down. Oh, Rogan already fell. All right, here we go. Run number 3. Riley wants to go by herself now. Ooh, she's getting it. She's getting it. Heel, heel, heel. Good job, good job. So first time going down by yourself. What do you think?
I can't make a thumbs up, but if I could, I would give it a thumbs up.
Let's go.
I want to see you brake slowly, okay? Slowly brake, slowly brake. Keep going, more speed, more speed. More speed, keep going, okay, slow down. Perfect. Hey, that was perfect.
Taking a little half-day break, lunch break.
Yes.
First day ever snowboarding. What do you think of it so far?
I give it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? You got some pretty cool coaches out there. You guys are doing pretty awesome.
Yeah.
You love it? It's a beautiful day. You guys are being spoiled. It's not even cold, huh? I think we're gonna go back to the cabin after this. What do you think?
No.
What?
No.
What do you guys want to do?
I want to snowball.
You want to snowboard more? Okay. I guess we'll go one more time.
Times.
How many?
100 more times. 1 million more times.
Oh.
1,000,001 more times.
There you go. Hey, a little easier, okay?
Yeah, I was kind of...
All right, let me see you brake. Good freaking job, dude. Let me see you brake the other way. Bro, high five. That was sick. That was sick. Let's do it again.
And we're gonna throw it at Daddy's behind us.
All right, give it to Rogan.
But you have to do it though.
Can you hit him?
Oh, it's right there. It's right there. I got it.
Throw it. Oh. What about hers?
I like your sweater! Dude, just kidding. Oh, what the?
Do it at the GoPro.
Yeah.
Throw it at the GoPro. I rolled over here by myself.
How was your ride?
Good.
Welcome to Bala's house.
Okay. What are we doing?
Helping
Making a beer cake.
For who?
Bala.
Bala. It's Bala's birthday. How's Bala turning, Rogan?
And 30.
Oh my god.
Can you just take these? Yeah, here. For that one. For this one.
Are they almost here?
Yeah. Extra cupcake. I could smash.
Not until we sing.
Shaylin wants to smash.
We did it! We did it! Rogan! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Paula! Happy birthday to you!
What is today, Sunday?
I think so, yes.
It's like, what, day 2 of our trip? Day 3 of our trip?
Day 3.
What are we up to today, gang? Yeah.
I think we're going axe throwing.
Axe throwing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Axe. I've always wanted to go axe throwing. Let's do it. That sounds fun. Actually, there was like a cement bobsledding course that Grandma could tell you all about.
Yeah.
She's got a scar from 20 years ago that still takes up like half of her arm.
I don't know why we're promoting that if we're gonna go there.
Should we go there?
Yeah, it's just because Grandma did not like pay attention to the rules, and she thought she could go really super fast, and she lost her cart and had to go slide down the cement.
But we got a few things planned for today. We're gonna take you guys along. Stay tuned. See ya.
Mine shaft coaster? Oh my gosh. You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Standard. All right, we're going.
So we're going. Oh shoot. Oh ah!
Wow! Wow! Holy! Holy!
Where are we at?
Axe throwing.
Woo! We have to practice our axe throwing skills for our bear hunt later.
Yes.
Ha! We're going on a bear hunt.
Oh! First try, like a bullseye? Maybe that's where Rogan gets his aim from. Okay, sis. No behind the back?
No.
360?
No.
No?
No.
Nothing?
No.
Doing the 360. Hurry while they're not looking.
That's like a 260. Go, Rogan.
Oh! It fell, but you had the nice shot. Yo, you're crazy. Bullseye? Oh, that's pretty close there.
Oh, barely made it hang on by a thread. Almost hit the GoPro.
All right.
No.
So,
no.
you gotta help me find it.
No.
It's fine. I'm with you. All right. So we were trying to fly the drone and it crashed, and I need
No,
Rogan.
I'm out.
Come on.
I'm out.
You're not gonna help me look
I'm
for
out.
it?
I'm out.
What are you scared of?
I'm out. Just go get it.
I'm not going.
Go get
I'm
it.
not going.
Go get
You
it.
gotta come with me.
I'm standing right here.
Oh, in front of you?
Yes.